Frigidaire Icemaker installation. Frigidaire is an industry leader committed to designing innovative, high-performing, time-saving, and easy-to-use appliances. Frigidaire appliances are designed, built, and engineered in the USA. Complete this challenge by properly installing an Icemaker in a Frigidaire refrigerator. Here's how to do it. Pick up the parts, go to the work area, and complete these steps in any order. Mount the Icemaker by hanging the unit on both bolts. Lift up the Icemaker wire signal arm to the off position. Move to the back of the refrigerator to mount the water valve in the rear panel. And finally, push the water inlet tube through the rear panel to the Icemaker. Keep the pace up and get recognized as one of the fastest techs in the USA. Show the sponsors your support. Go to hdsupply-solutions.com and search Maintenance Mania to buy Frigidaire appliances and repair parts. Maintenance Mania is brought to you by the National Apartment Association, HD Supply, and these national sponsors.